Generate complex SQL in seconds using advanced DB Copilot AI tool called SQLLens.AI. Use the Generate with AI code lens right inside your query editor. For example, at RE write SQL to show monthly revenue 2026 customers by sales this month. Just type at RE followed by your request in natural language, and SQLLens generates the SQL directly in your editor. It work all DB bookbox DDL, DML and PL by SQL blocks. On the left side object tree, select Generate SQL with AI to open a dedicated interface with advanced options to generate more complex code. Once the code is generated, click Insert Code to copy it directly into your SQL query editor. If any issues come up, you can fix errors on the fly. Both options work across all famous databases such as MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Faster, smarter query building with SQLLens.AI. All options are available in free version. One of SQLLens.AI's most powerful features is Fix with AI. It instantly detects and fixes broken SQL directly in the editor. Whether your query has syntax errors, missing clauses, incorrect joins, or other SQL issues, SQLLens.AI generates a corrected version in seconds. For more advanced assistance, Fix with AI Web lets you review and refine your SQL using leading AI models, including ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Google AI, through an intuitive web interface. It supports MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and SQLite, making SQL debugging faster, easier, and smarter across all your databases. This is one of my favorite features in SQLLens.AI, and it's available for free. SQLLens.AI lets you build SQL queries with simple drag and drop. Just drag database objects such as tables and columns into the query editor, and SQLLens.AI instantly generates the SQL for you. It automatically creates join conditions, select projections, and where clauses based on where you drop each object with powerful algorithms. For example, type I or insert, then drag and drop a table into the query editor. SQLLens.AI instantly generates a complete insert statement for that table. Similarly, type UW, update with where, then drag and drop a table. SQLLens.AI automatically generates an update statement with a where clause based on the table's primary key. Whether you're building simple queries or working with complex joins and subqueries, SQLLens.AI helps you create accurate SQL in seconds, without writing everything manually. SQLLens.AI comes with thousands of commonly used SQL query templates built in. Simply type directly in the query editor or use shortcuts like @command, @dba, @syntax, @favorites, and @frequently to instantly find and insert the query you need. There's no need to rewrite the same SQL statements over and over again. Just search, select, and execute, saving you valuable time and boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching. SQLLens.AI is available as a VS Code extension with support for PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, and SQLite. Download links available in description. If you enjoyed this video, please try SQLLens.AI and share your feedback with us. Your suggestions help us improve the product and build features that developers truly need. If you have any ideas for new features or improvements, we'd love to hear them. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the latest database tips, SQL tricks, and AI-powered tutorials. See you in the next video.